Jackie Shroff is one of the kindest and down-to-earth star in Bollywood, and whenever he interacts with the media and fans, they can't stop laughing hearing his funny anecdotes, and that's what happened during the trailer launch of his latest movie Hello Charlie.
Chivalrous, because every time the lady came out, he was all there. So thank you. We love you for that. You are a rock star as always. You win hearts. वो आजकल बहुत कम है लोगों में यहाँ पर वो नहीं करते. So आपने thank you so much. Another takeaway and learning from the man himself. I would like to ask, what can we expect, Jackie sir, with you from Hello Charlie?
It's got my childhood out. In fact, I've been watching all the little clips. It takes me back to school, before school, when you're a little child. It's so pretty, the film. I'm so happy to be associated with these. I really thank you. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
You
You
made it
the
happen.
honor. Yeah, we have the best view in the film.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. It's what I've learned from you guys. What you've done out here, I haven't done for 4 decades, like you said.
Thank you.
It's really fun. Shlok.
Thank you. Shlok, you've given us some of the best and won our hearts. So thank you so much for your contribution and entertaining us throughout.
Thank you for watching me.
And how was the entertainment on the sets with two different eras coming together?
Full power. It's like when you दो करंट मिलता है तो बहुत चार्ज हो जाता है नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. तो एनर्जी बच्चे लोग में बहुत था तो वो एनर्जी खा रहा था. और डायरेक्टर सर इज लाइक अ चाइल्ड हिमसेल्फ. आई थिंक इट्स रियली फनी and I wish we could have, at least I could have done a little bit like how he wanted, but I tried to give as much as I could. 40 साल कर रहे, इतनी चमड़ियाँ चढ़ गई है, वो सब निकाल के उसको दूसरा चमड़ी लगाने का तो मुश्किल था. मगर जिस तरह से बोला जानवरों के साथ खेलना मुश्किल होता है, तो हम जैसे गधों के साथ खेलना भी बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. He tried his best and I think he's made a super film. He's a fantastic director, writer, no doubt about it. He's done many comedy shows before that. And then look at the cast and look at the team. Look at the guy with big heart out there. Yeah, come on, go where you want, make the film. Look at Amazon. Amazons are rocking. They want to give different genres all the time. I think it's a win-win for me. I just have to hang around, be sincere about my job, be disciplined, listen to my director, look around at these young talent. So beautiful, so, I mean, superb. You're so endearing, you both of you. I mean, really, my love. As much as I love Toto, I love you two so much. You come out so beautifully, kids. I swear to God, there's nothing. I mean, I need nothing from nobody. You're brilliant, both of you, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Director Saab, and then you have such a glam. I mean, in that gorilla type of film, ना थोड़ा खूबसूरती भी तो भाई चेहरा भी माशाल्लाह. दो हमारे खूबसूरत ladies, they've rocked. She's fantastic. Well, what to say? Just look at her, and I don't want to say much. You're wonderful, lady. You acted beautifully. You look lovely.
Thank
He
you.
handled you beautifully too.
Yes,
And I'm happy that I worked with you.
Yes, me too.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thanks, guys, for being there. Not that we can see anything out there. चश्मे या चश्मे से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दिख ही नहीं रहा है. पहली बार जब शूटिंग किया था हीरो का, तो ऐसे 16 रिफ्लेक्टर मुंह पे मारे थे. आँख खुल नहीं रहा था. बोले अरे आँख तो खोल. मरहूम माशाल्लाह हमारे डांस डायरेक्टर सुभाष जी ने बोला नहीं ऐसे ही रहना. So ऐसे ही रहा, ऐसे ही. मगर इतना क्यों मार रहे भाई? कम दिखाई दे रहा है क्या सबको? Enjoying the film. Just rock with the film. मेरा बचपना बाहर आ गया देखकर जो मैंने देखा. मैं चाहता हूँ कि सबका बचपन बाहर आएगा.
Thank you, Jackie sir. Thank you.
एक फैमिली फिल्म होती है, बच्चों के लिए ऑडियंस होता है. सो हाउ वाज इट, you know, creating this whole family entertainer, you know, amidst the loads of work, loads of films that you have done? कितना मुश्किल है, कितना आसान होता है ऐसी फिल्म जो बहुत सिंपल होती है, जिसका एम सिर्फ हंसाना होता है?
हंसाना एम सबसे मुश्किल होता है दोस्त. रुलाना आसान होता है. मगर ऐसे डायरेक्टर्स हों तो आसान हो जाता है काम. ऐसे लेखक हो तो काम आसान हो जाता है. मैं कुछ इतना गुणकार नहीं हूँ मगर ऐसे लोग होते हैं तो उनको मैं समझता हूँ. तो बड़ा आसान कर देते हैं ये लोग. और इस पिक्चर में काम करने का मुझे पहले जब इन्होंने कहा कि कहानी बताई उन्होंने, तो मुझे तो लग गया कि बच्चा और पूरे परिवार की पिक्चर है, पारिवारिक फिल्म है. मैं घुस गया आंख बंद करके. और फिर सुना कि रितेश है तो मेरे को क्या फिक्र है. मैं तो फ्लो कर रहा हूँ बॉस. टाइड के साथ ले रहे इन लोग, संभाल रहे इन लोग. मैं अपनी सिंसियरिटी दे रहा हूँ. और मेरा बचपना जो इन्होंने निकालने की कोशिश की, उसमें नहीं, कैरेक्टर में नहीं, जब देखने में, तो आई थिंक यू रियली ब्रिलियंट बॉय. Sincerely, my brother. कुछ लेना देना नहीं, आगे लेना ले, तो भारी है.
Thank you, Amit.
Hello.
Yeah, as I said, it was a lot of fun. I have a lot of BTS of us doing crazy stuff on set. He's a lot of fun to work with. You know, we all had so much of fun with him cracking jokes and doing the funny things that he always does on set. And I am very, very fortunate and lucky to be able to work with Sir. I mean, I was like over the moon when I got to know that he's going to be in the film. Yeah, I was honestly. I was very happy. I was
think we all
like,
are.
okay. So yeah, and as I said, with the Iranian songs, we had a lot more fun. I was like, oh my god, he listens to the songs I listen to. That's cool. Yeah, it was beautiful experience with each one of them. Not only with Sir, with each one of them. It was so much fun. Me and Shloka bonded so well.
Yes.
And I loved seeing how Adar has just become this great actor in this film. It's incredible.
Nice of you to say.
Seriously, everything was beautiful.
Thank you so much. And thank you, Divya, for your question. And we've got another question here from Pooja Samant from Lokmat. Hi, Pooja.
Oh.
Can I request the volunteers to please hand over the mic? Thank you so much. And हमने आपके हर किरदार को बहुत प्यार किया है. You've done justice to it, and we're looking forward to this one as well. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Sachin.
Shloka.
Yes.
Tell us a bit about your character. Elaborate a little what your character is all about in this.
My character is all heart. She's feisty, just like me in real life. So I think the casting was perfect, bang on. I just had to play a rural version of myself, so I was very lucky in that sense. And she's full heart, all out there to save and be with her Charlie, and it's great. It's a wonderful, wonderful journey of this girl. I don't want to reveal much because, you know, the trailer didn't reveal much either. I want everyone to see the film, but it definitely shows a different side of me, and I get to dance, which is my forte. So I'm fortunate enough to have that song in the film. So I hope everyone likes it, and I'm just blessed to be here, and I'm very fortunate that Pankaj has given me this opportunity and excel.
So, all right. I think we should do a mix of it, right? If you guys agree, we should do a mix of on ground as well as virtual, so that we have a balanced amount of questions coming from both sides. So I think we told Himesh from Pink Villa wants to ask a question. Who's joined us here? So Himesh, if you could hand over the mic to Himesh. Hi Himesh. Hi.
Hi Adar, over here straight.
Hi.
Firstly, the trailer looks funny, really funny.
Thank you so much.
My question to you is, this is an adventure comedy and you had to be with the gorilla all through the film. What was your prep like?
What is the prep like?
Yeah.
Well, the prep for the film, as you know, like any other film, you prep for your character. You do script readings, you do workshops with the director. But I think Pankaj sir never wanted us to really, feel rehearsed on set. As you know, comedy is very spontaneous. It's all about acting and reacting and being in the moment. So he said, "Ke, आपका performance को इतना rehearse मत बनाओ. So just come on set and enjoy." And we have a gorilla who's so loving and he's amazing on set to be with basically, and he's very responsive to anything that you do. So it made everyone's job easier. I think I can speak for everyone. Preparations were that. I am also driving a truck in the film, so I had to learn how to drive a truck, learn how to drive a scooter, which I've never done before. So that was also really, really interesting. And like I said earlier, I love animals, so just being with an animal was very, very easy for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, Jackie Shroff always steals the show. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.